Okay, possible tornado. There's a funnel cloud just ahead of me past these trees. I'm not very smart driving through here, but there's a possible tornado forming just west of me.
24 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a line of severe.
Oh, I gotta get the hell out of here. Oh, this is. Oh, shit. Holy fuck.
Located along a line extending from 5 miles north of New Buffalo
Hang on.
to 11 miles southwest of New Carlisle to 13 miles west of Winnemac and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations in the path of severe thunderstorms include Three Oaks, Shorewood, Howard, Knox, New Carlisle.
Oh my god, this is scary as shit.
This line of severe thunderstorms include Harbert, Denham, Hudson Lake, Sawyer, Ripley, Winona, Grovertown, Bass Lake.
So I'm hearing the sirens in Niles, South Bend, Barron Lake, New Carlisle, all the sirens in the Port, Berrien, Cass County, and St. Joseph County are going off right now. This is a very dangerous situation for my area, for the Michiana area. Holy shit, that is a big storm.
Northern Indiana Facebook page, or you can post on Twitter with the hashtag at Northwest South by West Hex. Reports can also be made to the National Public Observation Reporting Hotline toll free at 877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45.
Tornado warning is not good.
Or 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana.
This is a very dangerous situation.
St. Joseph and Stark, and Berrien County, Michigan.
Well, now the storm's chasing me.
Warning for
Fuck!
St. Joseph County is canceled at 6:24 p.m. Eastern.